heard about it through the career development office, and just hearing about it, it sounded like a pretty great opportunity. The chance to go to the UK, to work during the summer, and to get paid to do it sounded pretty sweet. I mean, it's not every day you get to go to the UK, get to spend 2 months or so in London practicing law in a big firm. That's pretty exciting, I thought. Once I had gotten settled at Herbert Smith Freehills, the day-to-day routine was sort of a mix of going to seminars, going to little tours of the firm, learning more about the big firm itself, and sort of working with an associate or two who I'd been paired with in a certain specific branch of Herbert Smith. So during the first half the time I was there, I was working with an associate in the litigation department. Basically, we worked for around 2 weeks on one banking fraud case, and I kind of jumped in there halfway through, but helped with drafting stuff, copy checking, doing some research, until at the end got to go sit in on the trial and watch the 2-day trial happen. That was cool. Exciting. And then the second half of my time at Herbert Smith, I was in real estate, and I did some similar stuff, not working in one case, but doing just over the course of the time I was there, similar work that an associate or an articling clerk might do. Then once I got to public concern at work, the type of work I did shifted a little bit. They're a lot more closer to the ground, I suppose. So I did a lot more talking to clients. I debriefed a lot of clients on things. I did some lobbying work. I didn't actually talk to anyone, but I got all the info for their future lobbying work, and I did some research for them. And I think the big kind of work I did with them is I did at some point a rather large job of archiving for them, where I had to take the train halfway across the country to a place in the West Country, I believe, to go digging around in an old employment tribunal archive to get as many cases as I could that might help them. That was fun. While I was at Herbert Smith Freehills, I got to do a lot of work where I took on a lot of responsibility for legal work that articling clerks and new associates would be handling. So it was pretty fun to get to experience the kind of work I'd be doing once I graduated law school, even though I just finished my first year. Then at Public Concern at Work, because they're a smaller kind of charity pro bono law area, there was a chance to interact with clients who were using the service a lot more, and it was cool to be able to talk to and hear the experiences of people who were using their services. Working at Public Concern Work, I kind of gained an appreciation for how important access to justice can be and legal aid can be. Since Public Concern at Work provided legal aid essentially and legal advice to people who otherwise wouldn't get it, there's a lot of times where I'd be speaking to clients or people that used the service that really needed it. And it was both heartwarming at times to see someone who, had a problem that could easily be resolved with a little bit of legal help, and then Public Concern at Work providing it and then being eternally grateful. But it was also pretty devastating sometimes when you had to talk to the people who, for one reason or another, just couldn't access legal aid, and the help that Public Concern at Work provided couldn't help them. It left them in a really rough spot, and I think working at Public Concern at Work really taught me, or showed me, how important legal aid is and access to justice can be for everyone.